Alright, finally got I don't think this is gonna work. I was gonna say we finally got everything rounded up that we needed, but apparently not. This is for a truck. So I got this little tool from Walmart. I keep it in my camper just because it breaks down and it's real small. It's a Hyper Tough 14-inch folding lug wrench. It does feel kind of cheap every now and then, but seems to do the job. So we will just keep it around. These are 11/16 lug nuts. If you do see me wincing every now and then, if you watched my last video, I had a herniated disc with a discectomy surgery. It's been 6 weeks, and everything on my back is pretty much healed up. I've got a little bit of a leftover from the surgery, but I'm at least able to move around and do something now, which I've been gingerly doing. But we'll pull this off. Apparently I should have brought a bowl out here to put everything in, but we'll make it through. The hardest part about that surgery is that I'm used to doing everything like this and not being able to do it for a couple of weeks. Plus I was laid up in bed for 3 months with this problem. And so it feels good to be able to move around again. I'm still taking it pretty easy, but everything's starting to seem to come back together. All right, let's go air this thing up. Well, I finally got that tire fixed and wound up having to put an inner tube in it. So I aired the tire up to like 40 pounds and just had the water hose from the house run on it, see if it would sprinkle or bubble up or anything. Never did do anything. So when I took it off the other day, or yesterday it was actually, this is the next day, I aired it up to 40 pounds and put soap water around here. I'll insert in video what it looked like. It's kind of funny. I posted it on Facebook and somebody commented, well, the only thing you have to worry about now is figure out where it's not leaking. It was leaking all the way around the valve stem, on the back side, right on the bead. This is a brand new tire. Not sure why. It just started leaking out of the blue. Started to say for no reason, but I'm sure there was a reason, or it wouldn't have. So And last night I finally decided to put all the hardware in a safe location instead of just laying on top, where surely something would have come along and knocked it off, and then I'd been missing a bolt, and then also I was having problems every now and then, this thing not starting and having to jump start it. So went ahead and bought a battery. Uh-oh. Oh. Like, how'd we wind up with an extra nut? I was talking and wasn't paying attention. Alright, we got that tire tightened down. Let's swap this battery out real quick. Now to pull this off, or to get to the battery, you just twist these little there, that falls out, and then it just pulls out, and you have straight access to your battery. We'll set that right over here, and then I couldn't remember if this was metric or standard, so I just brought the universal tools. So we'll get this knocked out real quick. Well, apparently someone else might have already tried this. Yeah. Oh, we got that new one in there. So let's just see. Have all my tools in the seat. I know it's in neutral. So let's see what happens. I got lights. It's better than what we had. It's alive.